Here's the birth chart of Pope Leo, the first American pope, and we all know why he was chosen. But let me get into what stood out to me the most when I saw this chart. The first thing is he's a Virgo sun, and he has 3 planets in Virgo. So he essentially has a Virgo stellium. Virgo is the sign of service, humility, helping others. It's very meek sign. It does things without needing much attention and praise. So I can see why he's in the field he's in as a pope, whatever that field is called, religion, I guess. Anyway, his moon, it says, is in Virgo because we don't have its birth time. So it could be in Leo. I think personally he has a Leo moon because then his moon would be conjunct Regulus, the fixed star known as Little King in Latin, and shows someone who would be powerful or royal in some way. Also, I noticed that Mercury is conjunct Neptune in his chart. Mercury is the planet of your mind, thinking, learning, and Neptune is the planet of spirituality. These two together often show a lot of empathy and compassion for other people, especially you being able to talk to them very empathetically. It can show being very spiritually inclined, wanting to learn more about religion, having an intuitive or psychic sense about you. Also, his Venus is in Virgo, which is the sign that Mercury rules, and Mercury is in Libra, the sign that Venus rules. So technically, when this happens, they can switch places. So that would also put Venus conjunct his Neptune, which is about universal love and unity. And then lastly, his Jupiter conjunct Pluto. This can show someone who has really deep beliefs, usually religious beliefs, someone who can be a religious teacher. Jupiter is the planet of religion, but also a very powerful religious figure because Pluto represents power. This can have some negative vibrations to it too, showing someone who may use religion as a tool for power and control, but at its highest expression, it would show someone who used religion to reform or transform people. Also, I did the synastry chart between Donald Trump and Pope Leo. So if you want to see that in a video, let me know in the comments.